Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the SoSweet Show. Today I'm going to be installing a full lace wig. I do apologize, I am kind of nervous, but I am so excited. This is my first video. We need this. We still rolling?
Yeah, we still rolling.
So we're gonna go ahead and get the ball cap on so that we can protect these good old edges. As you can, make sure you cover the ear holes. Ugh, my poor eyebrows, they're gonna go bye-bye by the end of this video. We're gonna grab our Got to Be Glue spray and spray it around the airline. I don't know about y'all, but when I first started doing the ball cap method, I couldn't get the sides to stick on. And the reason why is you have to go ahead and cut the ear holes out. Like that. And you put some good old Got to Be Glue. And then, now when I blow dry it, I like to blow dry it on cool setting because I noticed that the Got to Be Glue spray, it dries faster on cool. I know it's kind of weird, but that's what it does. So. Y'all, this stocking cap is so freaking tight, it's causing my eyes to water. Alright y'all, so once I go ahead and cut off the lace,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Make it completely melt is you can go ahead and add another layer of spray and spray it, but I noticed when I do it, it doesn't really make a difference. The lace still be laid, so we just gonna skip that part. Cool beans. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and put the makeup on so it can blend into our skin. I like using me Lancome foundation and a beauty blender. I don't know why I'm talking like that, so don't ask. Alrighty, so now that I'm bald head, we can go ahead and start applying the lace. So like I said in the beginning of the video, this is going to be a reinstall. I already installed this lace, my baby, my boo. I like to tighten up my wigs because I don't sew the back down. I don't know why, but I just don't. So yeah. Okay. And I usually like to put makeup on the lace as well, so I'm gonna grab my good old Lancome bald head hoe shit. Y'all already know. Don't ask me why. I like to put a thick layer of glue. I usually do 1 or 2. Today, I'll do 2. No, I'll do 1. And if y'all see ombre hair, mind the business I pay. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and smooth these bad boys out. You feel me? Thick. Just smooth it out like butter. So oh brother. Bitch, what? And now we wait. Oh, good. What's up? Yeah, which rent? Yeah, yeah. And which house? Her house. Okay, well, just think she was staying at a different apartment. Oh. And her brother took over her place. Okay. I'll do 2. No, I'll do 1. Okay. So now that the glue is semi-dry or whatever, we're gonna go ahead and put this lace on before it gets completely dry and it looks a mess. One moment.
Bruh.
And make sure when you're laying the lace down, don't let any hair get out of the lace. My dumb ass.
Stupid.
Then, so now that my edges are out, I'm gonna go ahead and get my scarf. I usually like to leave the scarf on for about a good I like to leave the scarf on for like a good 2-3 minutes. So that's usually when I go ahead and plug up that hot comb and get the flattener. So while the lace is doing its little melty thing, I'm gonna go ahead and start hot combing it and figuring out where I'm parting my hair, but I basically know what I want to do. Pull out that good old Kare Kare stick. This is my favorite wax stick. Period. Look at that part, sweeties. Look at it. Ready, so now we're gonna grab the hot comb and we're gonna press the side and flatten it out. Okay, so do y'all see? Y'all see why I love the hot comb? Look at that, just. Okay, so that's enough marinated. We're gonna go ahead and do these edges, curl the hair, and then we done. Alrighty, so now that the scarf is off, we're gonna go ahead and do these edges. Okay, and sweetie, do you see the meltage? What is a lace? What is that? Like, huh? It ain't. Y'all, I'm sorry. Don't mean to toot my horn, but
Boy, if you don't.
really? Okay, so for my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and be using BombGoo. And baby, you want them edges to stay in place, get you that BombGoo. The Instagram videos are not lying at all. Now, usually for me, when I do this style and I clip my hair, I usually keep the clips in overnight and then take it out when I'm about to go somewhere. But since we're doing a video, gotta show the product now, so we gonna do that, okay? Okay, so now that the pins are out, I'm gonna go ahead and run my fingers through it. Okay, I'm sorry y'all, I had to get a little serious there because I was not feeling the way this hair was looking. But what y'all saw me do was I had to cut some layers up in this side because it was a little too thick, and add some more curls because the curls were not popping, okay? And then I feel like I like it. It's giving me a real, bitch, I don't know, but I like it. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I hope you like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like the video, make sure to check back next week for the next video. And when you comment, make sure to comment any looks you want me to do or any other suggestions you want to see on this channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come next time. Bye.